Hi guys, welcome back, and today I'm going to be doing a 2-month recap of my Shang Show experience along with an unboxing here, as you can see. So yeah, let's dive right in. If you've been kind of following along, I have my Shang Show experience video here about my first purchase, which was the Kelly wallet to go. I did end up sending it back, and as of today, I'm probably going to return my second Shang Show purchase. So if you saw my other video where I unboxed my Herbag, that was my second Shang Show purchase, or second purchase from the Hermes website thanks to Shang Show. And I decided to return it because, as you saw on that video, it just fell apart, and it's such an not practical bag. And as part of my 2026 sort of resolutions and not buying list is I'm not buying any more fussy bags. So that is a highly fussy bag, and I'm going to stay true to my word, and I am not going to keep it. But today I have my third Shang Show purchase, or I should say my third purchase from the Hermes website thanks to Shang Show. I do want to say that lately, I don't know if it's because I've already purchased from the Hermes website through Shang Show, but when I click over, I no longer get kicked out. I no longer get that access blocked notification. So it's been a lot easier actually for me to purchase very quickly from the website. Again, for this one, I made a mistake and I did my credit card wrong, but it still went through. So, it is what it is. I guess without further ado, let's just unbox this first. As you can see, it still has the Christmas ribbon, which is so cute. And I'm sure maybe you can tell by now. That's how the box looks. Oh, cute. So it came with a little thing too. Oh. All right, so this is a rodeo. So retail on this was under 1,000. It was like 900 something. But if you were to buy this secondhand, like I did for this one, I got this. I had to pay over retail for this one. This one actually came from Japan, so I did have to pay tariffs. It was like a whole thing. I mean, do I really need to? Probably not. But it's also the year of the horse, so why not? I was like, can I add it to cart? Yes, I can. Can I check out? Yes, I can. Did I get my credit card wrong? Yes, but did it still go through? Yes. And so got this shipped. I did. For this one, actually, I could have done free shipping, but I wanted to rush it because of some scheduling issues. And so I did pay the $35 for 2-day shipping, and it was quick. It was almost as quick as Celine. So yeah, I love it. Super cute. It actually goes really well on this bag as well. As you can see, yeah, it looks pretty good. I actually might let go of my first one at a certain point, because I don't really need 2 rodeos. I will have to say though, yes, you can switch out this robe and put it on to another rodeo, which I did try to do. I did it with this guy here. So this is an old one from Brandier. And unfortunately though, if you do that, and if you are looking to resell it or something, you're going to mess up the tail. So the tail used to look like this one on this white one here. It used to be standing up like this. And then I did a little switcheroo, and now the tail looks like one from an old one, which, it's fine. But word of warning, I wouldn't do it if I'm definitely not going to do it on this one for sure. But yeah, if you switch it, you're going to ruin the tail. And on top of that is that, I don't know if you can see, but obviously you can see, but the horse itself is very plain. So both of these horses, the eyes are the same, the hair is the same, but when you look at an actual rodeo, it's meant to stand out a little bit, so there's color. So what ends up happening is if you take off the robe and you put it on another rodeo, this guy here without his robe looks really sad, looks really plain. Like the eye color is the same as the hair color is the same as the body. It's just really boring. So honestly, it's kind of meant to just go with the robe, and I would just continue to keep using my other rodeos as is. But yes, this is the first thing I am 100% not gonna return. First of all, I love my little rodeos and rodeos, but second of all, it's kind of not worth it. The agony of going through a return and just dealing with that is just, It's not ideal. 2 months into Shang Show, would I continue it? I'm a little more iffy now. I am definitely able to get what I want to get. You know, I've been checking things off the list. You know, it is nice to be able to buy it, have it be shipped to you for you to then try it out at home, try it out with your, you know, outfits or put your things in it and just to see how it would go with sort of your preferences. You know, when you're offered a bag at Hermes in person, you can't help but be just excited. And then once you buy it, one, are you gonna like really go back and return it for store credit with your SA? Like, you know, one, it just doesn't look good, and two, it's a hassle. And then also, you know, these are hefty price tags. And so if you're gonna do return credit, like if I did return credit for the Kelly wallet, that's $7,600 worth of credit. Am I really gonna be spending that much? Or if I include the Herbag, that was another $3,500. Like that's over 10 grand of credit. Unless you're giving me a quota bag, what am I gonna do with the 10 grand of credit? That's like, now I'm out, you know? So I probably would rather continue to buy it online. I don't know, and take my chances with return shipping with FedEx. So back to my original question, would I keep subscribing to Shang Show? Yeah, I think if there was a bag that I really wanted, I would just go through Shang Show and do it. I think once my 3-month subscription is out for this round, I will probably just cancel it for now. There's really no bag that I really want enough to buy it online and, you know, risk the shipping and return and all that. So, but you know, if something comes along, you know, like maybe, you know, the Evelyn 23 is their newest sort of style that's coming out. It's already on the Shang Show checklist. It's already, you know, I think it's come out once. I would be interested in getting that, but I don't know if it's worth $20 a month for that. Maybe. We'll see. I'll let you know when I get there, but as of right now, I'm pretty sure I'm going to cancel it. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. What did you think about my purchase? We'll see how it goes. I'll keep you informed. If you like this video, greatly appreciate a like or subscribe, and I hope to see you guys in the next one.